Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, no-nonsense product reviews to help you make the best decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Hoover WindTunnel 2 Whole House Rewind Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, a corded upright that promises powerful cleaning performance and advanced filtration. Whether you're dealing with embedded dirt, pet hair, or everyday debris, Hoover claims this vacuum can handle it all. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. At first glance, this vacuum looks like it means business. The WindTunnel 2 technology is designed to lift and remove both surface debris and embedded dirt, so it should tackle a variety of messes with ease. But how does it actually perform in real-world conditions? The vacuum offers up to 16 feet of extended reach with versatile tools like the Pet Turbo tool, pivoting dusting tool, and crevice tool, so you can clean beyond the floors with minimal effort. The multi-floor brush roll adjusts for optimal cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, which is ideal for homes with a mix of surfaces. The 25-foot cord offers decent length, but the real treat here is the auto rewind feature that makes storage a breeze. Now, when we talk about power, the Hoover WindTunnel 2 promises thorough cleaning with its high-performance suction. The 25-foot cord gives you plenty of freedom to move from room to room without constantly searching for an outlet. But of course, a vacuum's effectiveness depends on more than just suction. The HEPA media filter traps dirt, dust, and pollen, which is a huge plus for allergy sufferers. Even better, it has Allergen block technology, which goes a step further by absorbing odors, so you're not just getting a clean floor, but a fresher environment overall. With such a powerful filtration system, this vacuum is a solid choice if you're sensitive to allergens. When it comes to usability, the Hoover WindTunnel 2 stands out with its multi-floor brush roll that automatically adjusts for both carpet and hard floor surfaces. On carpet, it performs well, lifting embedded dirt without pushing debris around. On hard floors, it prevents scatter, a common issue with many vacuums. The vacuum is a bit on the heavier side, but the 25-foot cord and automatic rewind feature help make the process less cumbersome. Its ergonomic handle makes maneuvering easier, and though the vacuum isn't lightweight, it's manageable for a corded upright. In terms of noise, it's relatively quiet for a vacuum of this size, though you might find it a bit loud when running on higher suction settings. It's not unbearable, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a quieter cleaning experience. One of the key selling points is the filtration system, and it really lives up to its promise. The HEPA filter ensures that fine dust particles and allergens are captured, making it a good option for anyone with sensitivities or pets. The included tools, especially the Pet Turbo tool, work wonders for pet hair, which can be a nightmare to clean up with some vacuums. It really gets into the nooks and crannies, helping you keep your home free from messes that linger. The Hoover WindTunnel 2 does come with a few trade-offs. While it's powerful, the weight might be a turnoff for some, especially for people with stairs or multi-level homes. It's also not as maneuverable as some of the lighter, more compact stick vacuums out there. While the attachments are useful, the hose could be a little longer for those wanting to clean high ceilings or tight corners without having to reposition the vacuum itself. When it comes to value for money, the Hoover WindTunnel 2 hits a sweet spot. Priced in the mid-range for corded uprights, it offers solid performance across the board, good suction, versatile tools, and top-notch filtration. Compared to similar models, it stands out with its combination of features like the Allergen block tech and auto rewind cord. However, if you're looking for something more lightweight or cordless, there are alternatives to consider, especially if you have a smaller space or don't mind charging your vacuum between uses. Comparing this to other models in the same price range, the Shark Navigator Liftaway is a solid competitor, offering similar suction and filtration, but with a more versatile design for stairs and upholstery. If you're willing to pay a bit more, the Dyson Ball Animal 2 offers stronger suction, but it's a lot pricier and heavier. The Hoover WindTunnel 2 falls right in the middle, performing well without breaking the bank. Build quality is solid. Hoover has been around for over 100 years, so they know how to make reliable products. The plastics feel durable, and the connections between parts feel sturdy. Long-term maintenance seems straightforward. The filter is easy to clean, and the brush roll is designed to handle pet hair without too many tangles. The auto rewind cord feature is a nice touch for keeping things neat, though it can sometimes take a moment to fully retract. As with most vacuums, it's important to keep the hose and filter clean to maintain suction. If you run into any issues, Hoover's customer service has a reputation for being responsive though. Thankfully, most owners don't have major complaints about the vacuum's reliability, and its durable construction and powerful suction should serve most households well for years to come. Wrapping things up, the Hoover WindTunnel 2 Whole House Rewind is a strong contender for anyone looking for a solid, reliable vacuum. It delivers powerful suction, a great filtration system, and the versatility to handle a variety of messes, from pet hair to allergens. While it may not be the lightest or most maneuverable vacuum, its performance and thoughtful features make it a great option for people with larger homes or those who want something that can handle multiple floor types. It offers solid value for its price, and if you're willing to deal with the weight and bulk, it's a vacuum that's going to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're thinking about picking up this vacuum, the link to get it can be found in the comments. If you already own one, feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a clean home is a happy home, unless you've got a vacuum that makes you work too hard.